Let's learn! Letter Q with short vowel sounds.
Hi, Faith, come sing with me. We'll learn Q sounds so happily. Q has a buddy, it's you see. They stick together like you and me. Short vowel sounds are quick and fast. They pop right up, then zoom right past. Q says quack, say it quick.
Quack, quack.
Nice and slick. Short vowels pop and zip away. Quick Q words we'll learn today. A silly duck goes quack, quack, quack. Faith laughs, quack right back. A fast little dash, that's quick. Zoom so fast, like a swift kick. A happy duck in speedy feet. Short Q sounds are fun and neat. Faith capers, claps, that's the sound. Quick Q words are all around. Q says quack, say it quick. Quick, quick, nice and slick. Short vowels pop and zip away. Quick Q words we'll learn today. Time to rest, that's called quit. Take a breath, then try a bit. A fun little game, a quiz to play. Pick the right sound, hooray, hooray! Try again, you're doing great. Learning sounds at your own pace. Faith caper smiles, yes you can. You're a super learning fan. Q says quick, say it quick. Quick, quick, nice and slick. Short vowels pop and zip away. Quick Q words we'll learn today. Quack and quick, you learned the sound. I'm proud of you. Say it fast, then shout hooray.